How to fix Fortnite lag issue on Windows. 1. Ensure to meet the minimum hardware requirement. Upgrade your hardware if needed. 2. Update your graphics card driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Install the latest game patch. 4. Adjust game settings. See recommended options below. Tap Fortnite settings, video settings. Use the same resolution as your display in your computer. Quality, low or medium. View distance, medium or far. Shadows, off. Anti-aliasing, off. Textures, low. Effects, low. Show FPS, on. 5. Configure settings to enhance your computer performance. 5.1. Limit startup programs in Task Manager. 5. To change the number of boot processors via the misconfig tool. 5.3 Enable adjust for best performance of programs and turn on DEP for essential Windows programs and services only in advanced system settings.